So replace the word project with work, and any work where you put a temporary effort. Why we call it temporary? Because it should have a definitive start and definitive end. Any work that is not definitive end, we call it as an operations. Continuous, repetitive. So this is the definition of a project. And today, the world is changing. I'm sure you all will agree with me. And PMI has coined a word called project economy. Now, economy is gone. Project economy is in. When we see around us, what all we do is directly or indirectly related to the projects. So today the word is project economy. And what is project management? Some of you might be from MBA. You have general management, but what is project management? Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques